Brian, people search for psyllium fiber because they are hoping for something useful. Constipation, bowel regularity, cholesterol marker, glucose response, and fullness claims. Before we warn them about everything, what benefit is actually worth understanding?
The useful answer is benefit first. Psyllium is a gut-first soluble fiber with unusually practical evidence. It can help constipation and bowel regularity, while bile acid binding may support LDL cholesterol markers, and slower absorption may soften post-meal glucose response. We will explain what the body's doing, which benefits are most plausible, and then where the boundary sits. First, follow the substance after it enters the body. Psyllium forms a gel in the intestinal lumen that holds water and changes a stool texture. This is the first reason the supplement is more than a label on a bottle. Then ask what changes downstream. Inside the gut, soluble fiber can bind bile acids so the liver draws on cholesterol to replace them. This is where the benefit becomes something you can measure, feel, or track. Context is the switch that changes the answer. The gel layer can slow carbohydrate absorption and soften post-meal glucose spikes. The same supplement can be helpful, irrelevant, or too strong depending on that context. The first benefit to understand is this. Constipation and bowel regularity are direct practical uses. That matters because psyllium forms a gel in the intestinal lumen that holds water and changes stool texture. This connects psyllium fiber to a real body pathway, not just a marketing word. The second benefit to understand is this. LDL cholesterol reduction has a clearer marker path than many supplements. That matters because inside the gut, soluble fiber can bind bile acids so the liver draws on cholesterol to replace them. This connects psyllium fiber to a real body pathway, not just a marketing word. The third benefit to understand is this. Satiety and glucose affect support metabolic routines. That matters because the gel layer can slow carbohydrate absorption and soften post-meal glucose spikes. This connects psyllium fiber to a real body pathway, not just a marketing word.
So the question is not whether psyllium fiber is exciting. The question is, who is the person most likely to benefit, and what would tell them it is working?
The best fit user for psyllium fiber is not everybody. It is the person whose goal, symptom, marker, or routine lines up with this pathway. Constipation and bowel regularity are direct practical uses. In that context, the gel layer can slow carbohydrate absorption and soften post-meal glucose spikes. Then the form matters. A food source, a standard capsule, a concentrated extract, and a study product can behave differently. So psyllium fiber should be judged by the exposure that actually reaches the target pathway. Inside the gut, soluble fiber can bind bile acids so the liver draws on cholesterol to replace them. Now rank the claims. The strongest claim gets the most attention. The plausible claims get a smaller box, and the vague wellness claims should not drive the purchase.
Now give me the boundary in proportion. We are not trying to scare people away from psyllium fiber. We are trying to keep the useful benefit from being used in the wrong context.
The main safety boundary is specific. Take with adequate water to reduce choking or blockage risk. Also remember this second boundary. Separate from some medications because fiber can affect absorption. That is a reason to personalize, not a reason to turn the whole lesson negative. The simple tracking plan is positive and practical. Choose one target benefit, decide what would improve, watch for the main boundary, and stop if start gradually to reduce gas and bloating. The practical ladder for psyllium fiber is benefit first. Name the benefit, understand the pathway, match the person, choose the right form, track the outcome, and keep the boundary visible.
So the fair summary is not negative. Psyllium fiber may be useful when the target is specific, the pathway makes sense, and the person can actually track the benefit.
Exactly. The body ladder rule for psyllium fiber is simple. Explain the benefit deeply, respect the boundary, and make the decision useful.